You searched for how to buy shares of Pure Cycle Corp, a water resources and infrastructure company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker PCYO. This video is for educational purposes and does not provide financial advice. To buy PCYO, you must use a brokerage account, and we will use eToro as a neutral example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account, typically with an identity document, and add funds before placing an order. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker PCYO to locate Pure Cycle Corp. Make sure you select the NASDAQ listing that matches the company name. On the stock page, review the company summary, business description, and sector details alongside the price chart. Confirm the page shows Pure Cycle Corp on NASDAQ with the PCYO ticker before proceeding. Tap Investor Buy, enter the amount you want to allocate, and select Order Type, then carefully review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may queue or become a post-market order depending on the platform, and if you lack sufficient funds, eToro will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. After execution, your PCYO position will appear in the portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to eToro is provided in the description if you wish to follow the steps shown.